What's going on, man? Hey.
Lost use of your primary weapon, lost use of your legs.
Go, let's go, yeah! Whoa! Yeah, let's go! Woo! Come on, Connor.
I love how they like go get the flags, young guys. I'm more out of shape than y'all probably
Yeah.
are.
All right, Connor. Eddie and Eddie, y'all got the radar station, right? Me and Connor will get north. We need some people to come north. Yeah, we got the gas.
Gas light.
You don't, because you're a queer.
Do the WE lower like receiver conversion.
It was
gas.
so expensive, it was
Yeah.
like $200.
Shit.
Go to Airsoft GI. They have it an open box for like $190. So it's like
What's an
half
open
the
box?
price.
Does that mean?
It's been open, I guess.
That means it was a returned product.
Oh.
They just returned it.
I don't know
But
how I
if
feel.
Airsoft GI is still selling it, it's still good.
Well, yeah. They got to be in the woods. Yeah, they have to be. I'm hearing radio chatter, but I don't think it's our team, so I'm just gonna stay low profile. Yeah. Where's the actual?
I thought it was
Flag.
right in front of the fort. They moved it. Like, y'all thought it was y'all stupid.
Okay, we got to start actually. Cause they got to be in the woods. There's no way no one came this way. Where is the pivoty thing? There's not a flag here.
No flag.
What? Eddie, come back. There's no flag at the north field. No. We are seriously here right now, and there is nary a flag anywhere. All right, hold on. Get a rep. Get Rod. Is it on the bridge?
The bridge, isn't it? The flag you got raised up, isn't it?
Nah.
Not?
That we didn't play that this time. That's when we have 3 flags. What'd you think I was making it up? Yeah, there's not one out here. I just said that. We got it. We got it. It's capped. It's red right here. There's no flag out here. Pony Express. All right, got it. Rod, Pony Express, this building right here is going to be the flag. So right now it's red. You got eyes? Okay. Where is he?
11 o'clock behind.
Okay.
The Pony Express building will be a flag station for now. Yep.
Rod, you gotta chill here until we get a flag, brother. All right, man. Just make sure people know. He fell back in deeper. Connor, use your full auto capabilities. For real. Yeah. This may be a bad time, guys, but I got poop. I got poop. Literally. We're not gonna make any headway with this guy. I see her. Just put it somewhere in the Pony Express building. Rod, just put the flag somewhere in the building where people can see it. Go walk to their respawn and let them know. Eddie's orders. I'm not just barking shit out. Eddie said so. He was like, tell them to go do this now. We're not gonna make any headway with this guy. Put it like in the windowsill. Dumbass. Yeah, just put it in the windowsill. Not if no one messes with it until they change the flags. They have to stand up. Rod, if I have to come over there and help you with a flag, I'm gonna be very disappointed in you. Psst. Yo. Hey. Yo. I think there's a mound right here in front of me. I think I'm gonna go prone and crawl to the mound, see if I can get anything. All right? You got me covered? You too, Connor. I'm moving up. Cover me.
Sorry, game shut off. I am standing by the flag station. The Pony Express is the flag station.
Fucking glorious. Northfield.
In the north field,
Dumbass.
I am standing by the flag station.
All right, we can respawn now?
Yes. Tips for you to remember.
I'm
Right.
the best ref, sir.
We're gonna let that guy alone.
Where we going? What's the game plan? What you got over here? You were over here. We were down there. So what's up?
We got that flag here.
All right, let's do it. Come on, Connor. Let me get on your back. So you want to walk back?
There's like 3 sides tall.
One day, I just want to come to someone and just have them pepper me and be like, I'm not hit, I'm not hit. Just to fuck with them, then not even shoot them, just be like, I'm just kidding, man, I'm out. Can I call them stupid? I might. Why are we so casual? We need to step it up. This guy needs help, come on. Shit. Hit. I just got hit in the back. You guys don't have something to tell me, do you? Yep. All right, where we going?
Well, we got to get that flag out. We control radio.
We do. And they've got it right now. I got a couple guys right before I got out. I got like 2 or 3, I don't even remember. I think 2. Okay, there's a guy, y'all can see him straight up. Fuck this, I'm crossing the bridge. Is this one red? Okay. So they're all focused on Northfield. Yeah.
3 or 2?
Fucking A. Where are you, Brett? Oh, he's out. Now we wait for 2 more people so I can respawn. 1 minute, fuck it. This is